Bees are winged insects closely related to wasps and ants, known for their role in pollination and, in the case of the best-known bee species, the western honeybee, for producing honey. Bees are a monophyletic lineage within the superfamily Apoidea. They are presently considered a clade, called Anthophilia. There are over 16,000 known species of bees in 7 recognized biological families. There are some species, including honeybees, bumblebees, and stingless bees, live socially in colonies, while most species, including mason bees, carpenter bees, leafcutter bees, and sweat bees, are solitary. Bees feed on nectar and pollen, the former primarily as an energy source and the latter primarily for protein and other nutrients. Most pollen is used as food for their larvae. Vertebrate predators of bees include primates and birds such as bee-eaters. Insect predators include bee wolves and dragonflies. Bee pollination is important both ecologically and commercially, and the decline in wild bees has increased the value of pollination by commercially managed hives of honeybees. The analysis of 353 wild bee and hoverfly species across Britain from 1980 to 2013 found the insects have been lost from a quarter of the places they inhabited in 1980. Bees have the following characteristics. First one is a pair of large compound eyes which cover much of the surface of the head. Between and above these are 3 small simple eyes which provide information on light intensity. Second one, the antennae usually have 13 segments in males and 12 in females, and are geniculate, having an elbow joint partway along. They house large numbers of sense organs that can detect touch, smell, and taste, and small, hair-like mechanoreceptors that can detect air movement so as to hear sounds. Third one is the mouth parts are adapted for both chewing and sucking by having both a pair of mandibles and a long proboscis for sucking up nectar. Fourth one is the thorax has 3 segments, each with a pair of robust legs, and a pair of membranous wings on the hind 2 segments. The front legs of corbiculate bees bear combs for cleaning the antennae, and in many species the hind legs bear pollen baskets. Flattened sections with incurving hairs to secure the collected pollen. The wings are synchronized in flight, and the somewhat smaller hind wings connect to the forewings by a row of hooks along their margin which connect to a groove in the forewing. Fifth and sixth ones are the abdomen has 9 segments, the hindermost 3 being modified into the sting end. The largest species of bee is thought to be Wallace's giant bee Megachile Pluto, whose females can attain a length of 39 mm. Smallest species may be dwarf stingless bees in the tribe Meliponidae, whose workers are less than 2 mm in length.